The Huawei Watch Fit 2 is a new Huawei watch that appears quite similar to its predecessor but has a few noteworthy design modifications and some fairly substantial functions. At first sight, the Watch Fit 2 doesn't appear to be much that different from the first Fit, but that's not altogether a negative thing. Welcome to EduTech Reviews. Please subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. Let's get into the video. There are three separate models: Active, Classic, and Elegant, all of which come in several colors and come with silicone, leather, or Milanese strap options. Thankfully, Huawei has created new quick-change straps that make changing up your style a breeze. There is a significant difference with the screen. Huawei has managed to scale up to a bigger 1.74-inch screen with a resolution of 480 by 336 pixels. The Huawei was designed to suit two different weights ranging from 26 to 30 grams. It also has a 5 atm water resistance rating, which means it can withstand being submerged for up to 50 meters. This means it can be used for activities such as swimming in a pool or the ocean, but Huawei does not suggest it for scuba diving, water skiing, or other sports requiring high-velocity water or submersion below a shallow depth. Huawei boasts 97 various training modes, 24/7 heart rate tracking, rapid workout animations, all-day SpO2 monitoring, sleep monitoring, stress tracker, and menstrual cycle tracker for fitness. Bluetooth calling, rapid message responses, and imported contacts are all available on the watch. You get built-in GPS as well as support for Huawei's dual-band, 5-system GNSS capability on the Watch GT Runner. This could enhance outside monitoring for runs, cycles, and hikes, and it's fantastic to see it included in such a low-cost gadget. Huawei's TrueScene 5.0 optical sensor is also included, which will provide heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring, and stress tracking functionality. You'll still have access to 97 training options and animated routines, but there's more in store for runners. You can now access animated warm-up exercises from the run tracking screen to ensure that your body is ready to confront some run time. The Running Ability Index, Training Load, and VO2 Max features from Huawei's watches will also be available to assist you to analyze your training and determine when to exercise. It allows you to follow workout plans and, surprisingly, you can even import routes to the Watch Fit 2 to aid navigation. The Watch Fit may second still be used as a smartwatch, and all of the features of the first Fit are still available. Notifications, audio control, and weather predictions are all available. Although it runs on Harmony OS, you won't be able to download programs to it. While it appears that Huawei has increased the battery capacity, it appears that it has maintained the same battery specifications as its predecessor. It lasts up to 10 days, although, with intensive use, we expect it to last just 7 days, exactly as the original Watch Fit. However, it will be fascinating to see how much of a drain enhanced outside tracks will be to achieve those statistics. Huawei has now added a speaker to the mix, allowing you to make and receive calls while connected to your phone through Bluetooth if that's something you've wanted to do. What is thought on this device? I will love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon so you will be the first to see my videos. Thank you.